Assalamu alaikum friends, once again welcome to Baigs channel. Crochet lovers, so friends, how are you? I hope all will be may almighty. Keep you happy, keep you home sing happily, and may you continue to enjoy like this. I mean, so friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing crochet handmade shoulder designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can share beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in the designs that I am sharing with you today are new designs. Brought to your channel in the first time, you can also buy to the market about certain designs and from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful so I will keep sharing some and daily. Inshallah, be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion and videos and if you like, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country, and girls like such close up from today videos. Amazing, every video is a lovely designs. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. I will keep sharing with you all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching.